Changing your payout method on Ghost 2026 is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payment preferences are updated correctly. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your Ghost 2026 account by entering your username and password on the login page. Make sure you have your account credentials ready. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SRAP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Select payout methods. In the account settings menu, find and select the payout methods section. This is where you can view and manage your current payout options. Step 4. Choose your new payout method. Review the available payout methods and select the one you wish to use. Follow the prompts to enter any required information for the new method, such as bank details or payment service accounts. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new payout method information, make sure to save your changes. Look for a Save or Update button and click it to confirm your new payout preferences. Once you have completed these steps, your payout method will be updated. Make sure to check back to ensure everything is set correctly for your next payment.